afternoon, Jatin. How are you?
A very
Hi,
good
Ashima.
afternoon, Archika.
Jatin is there with us.
Hey, Jatin, how are you doing, dear? Is Jatin joining in? So, Archika, we are on the ninth session of self relationship itself, and tomorrow we wind up the whole thing, and we'll be going on to something else. So today we intend to, play certain games, and we want to ask people about their experiences. And just to tell everybody who's not listening right now but would be joining in later on or listening to the recording, we are ISKA, Indian Specialized Counseling Academy, Archika and Ashima, trying to make an open, non-judgmental, non-critical space for people to come out and talk freely. They talk freely about whatever they feel, how they feel, their emotions, their feelings, and nobody is judging them. Everybody is holding the hand and taking them forward and making them understand the things which they want to understand. Uh, and you would be able to join Jatin only after some time, because I think a lot of times when people join, yes, you can come in now. So, the thing on Mensa is, Archika and Jatin, that a lot of times you can't join because some of the people have already booked the slot. They have booked the slot means they have already joined the speaker panel. And if for the first 2 minutes they don't join, then the others are given the opportunity to join. So it's like reservation happening.
Oh, I was not aware of this fact.
We do have Shweta with us, Shweta, right? And we have Suraj. Hey, Suraj, how are you? And let's hear from Jatin and then Shweta and then move on further. And we do have Sharjil. Oh, hey, Sharjil. Long time, dude. I heard you have moved out of India. You're somewhere we would want to hear. Come on, platform. Let's hear from Jatin.
Hello. Finally, I'm able to join the speakers. I mean, even I wasn't aware that I'm unable to join because other people have booked it. That's all.
Okay, anything specific you would like to say, Jatin, before we move on to Sharjil and the other people?
Till today, having a good time. Yeah, yeah, it's going well. How about you?
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yep.
Chika, now you are. I don't know you what
Okay.
you were talking.
No, I
Let's
thought Ashima is supposed to giving
no.
some brief or something regarding, so I
And you
was.
know the best part, Archika, is I was talking and I was thinking I was talking to Sharjil and saying, "Hey Sharjil, how are you? You've moved out of India. You've moved out to some other place. I've heard. Tell me if I'm wrong." And then I saw I was muted.
I had this feeling that you're talking and talking. Why I'm not getting it?
Sharjil, hi. Sharjil, can you hear us?
I think Shajil is doing right now.
Yes.
He's talking
Hello.
about.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Hello. How is everybody doing? Yes. Okay. Wait one
Yes.
second. Let me switch to a better network.
Yeah, you better because we're
Okay.
losing you all the time. Yeah.
No, this should be fine now. I switched to a better network. I
Mm-hmm.
have to
Mm-hmm.
switch networks when I walk around the house. It's irritating. Like people over
Mm.
here really are like at least 15 years back from Bangalore. Bangalore, the tech is way too good. Canada,
Hmm.
it's not that good.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm in Vancouver.
But
Yeah, so
you're
I was
studying,
told you're not in
working.
India right now.
Yes, I'm not in
Vancouver,
India,
where?
and I'm sorry I didn't hear the other question.
Vancouver, I mean, have you gone for studies or have you taken up a job there and how's it going?
Oh, no, I study here. I study here now. I also, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so we'll do like a quick rundown of last, what, 6 months? Yeah, it's been like
Hmm?
7 months since I left. Yeah, okay, so got here in like June and July start. Got straight into college. I don't really concern myself with marks because to me, marks are an outcome, right? They're not something you
Hmm.
worry about. They're an outcome of the effort you put in. I don't get the.
Absolutely, and that's what we are going to talk here, Shajil. That's what this platform is. ISKA Indian Specialized Counseling Academy with Archika and Ashima. We are trying to understand from people what are the experiences we leave, which leave an impression on them, and why, and what kind of impressions. Because a lot of times, good experiences, bad experiences, they go hand in hand. But the experiences which had a negative impact, kind of have a bigger impact on us. We do remember good also. So let's see how people balance it out. And Sharjil, is your experience going to Vancouver is good? It's an experience worth its while. How do you think? We've lost Sharjil again, right? I think probably he's speaking at the back somewhere. Like today I was doing it, like Archika says.
Yep.
Uh, Wait,
Go
can you
on,
hear me now?
yes, we can hear
Yeah.
you. We keep losing you.
Okay. Okay, I think I know what the issue is. Okay, never mind. I think I know how to solve it. I just have to hold my phone in my hand because for some reason my earphones are not connected with the mic. They're connected only with the audio. So it's not. Never mind. But my experience has been pretty incredible. Like I was saying, I run my own business. I do a couple of podcasts. I get to meet people from all over the world. I I'm still in college, which is the only irritating bit. Don't get me wrong, and I do quite well for somebody who's still in college in the sense that I'm studying an MBA. I've been working in strategic management, brand management for the last 10 years, so most of it is a cakewalk at this point, except finance. I hate that subject. Like, oh my God, why do you think the first person I hired was a CA? I literally asked my professor today, listen, I already hired a CA. Can I just have him do this exam? I am never going to need this in my life. He started laughing. He thought it was a joke. He didn't know I was being serious. It was a win-win situation. But overall, yeah, it's a great thing. And just to address the topic, right? I think I am very impressionable. I think that's half the point of living, right? What I mean when I say that is, even in marketing, in all sort of communication, strategic management, I always have said there's only two very important skills which make a differentiation at the top 5%, right? Of course, everyone has the same 95% skill, but at the top 5%, you'll see these all personalities, regardless of nationality, gender, caste, field, will have two abilities if you're in strategic management and business management. They will be the strongest observers and they will be the ones who have the most experiences. Like diversity of them, right? They'll know the ups, downs, they'll have spoken with a different range of people, XYZ. So I think the idea for me is to be very impressionable and to continue to be impressionable. I Negatives, yeah. I mean, there is the fight or flight instinct that gets triggered, right? For example, if something bad happens, you're more likely to be cautious of it the next time. Does not necessarily mean you don't try it the next time. It depends, of course. Don't be like stupid. Everything within reasonable limits. But just I think that the point of life is to have experiences and observe and just have fun. I really don't think there's more to it.
Hmm. So Sharjil is pretty optimistic in his outlook, and he looks at things from both the lenses. And he is somebody who believes in learning and leaving an impression, taking an impression, observing from a distance. So when we talk of experiences, and
No,
Sharjil has
no,
moved
not
on
just
to, because
distance.
last time I
I do have to
go
mention
on.
this, right? Not just from distance. For example, I keep talking about physicality of emotions, right? Which is you should know how your body feels when you're angry. Like there's a reason everybody clenches their fist. The quickest way to get rid of anger is to clench your fist and let it go. That's the simplest thing you can do. right? Nerves also work a certain way on the body. So I believe in physicality of the emotion as well, because that's how you regulate yourself, right? So when we
Hmm.
say observation, I mean observation in a very personal sense, in a very multiple circles of awareness sense, as well as distance. It just depends on the context of the situation, as everything does, but not necessarily external only.
Absolutely, Sharjil. When you talk about observation, you got to get detached, because if you just dive deep into it, you're gonna get hurt or get sentimental and emotional about it. So Sharjil gave his bit. Thank you very much, Sharjil. Best of luck for whatever you're doing. Let's hear from Jatin and Gaurav and the rest of the people who are up here on the experiences which have left an impression on them, and how they
Okay.
really, as Sharjil said, become an observer of it instead of getting, diving deep into it.
I'd like to share something. So basically, this is a conversation from this week and the previous week I've been having with my daughter. And when we say experiences, I mean, uh, I've been having positive experiences, but this is something which is kind of a dilemma. Let me explain. So we're in a bully situation where, let's say, me and my daughter and one of her classmates are getting into a fight, and it's a fist fight, and the the boy on the other side, he's punching her 5 times every time they beat the class. So now I'm in a situation where, like, see, okay, so a little bit of context. So I have a 6-year-old daughter, six
Mm-hmm.
years, 7 months to be precise. And then, like, I'm in my head, I'm like, what do I exactly tell her? If I tell her to be a bully herself, or I tell
Hmm.
her to fight back and hit the guy. And she is soft hearted, but she has a lot of energy. So I know for a fact if she were to, give it back to him good, like he'd get it. The bully would get it. But then, like, I don't want to disturb the soft nature part of it. So I'm in between a hard place and a rocky place. I'm like, which one to go for? And
Mm.
then, yeah, and like I don't want to get parents involved. I want them to deal with it themselves because they have to face life head on. So yeah, I mean that's something I need some perspective on because I mean I can move either ways, but then it would have its own repercussions, its own impact. So that's all. Yeah.
That's a that's a wonderful thing which you have shared here, Jatin. These kids, when she's telling you that this boy is fisting her 5 times in the class, is she giving you a context? Is she? I mean, what kind of? Because a lot is happening in the school between the kids, and believe me, one moment they are fighting, the other moment they are friends, and the third moment they are into an argument again. I'll give you example of my daughter also, but before I go on further, I have certain questions, but let me give it to Archika if she wants to ask certain questions.
Thank you, Ashima. Hi, Jatin. Okay. So first of all, what about the parent of that boy?
That's what he's saying. He's not involved, the parents.
Because in the sense that like we know for a fact that the guy on the other side, the boy on the other side, is a little, how should I say it, enjoying the tussle. He is doing
What
it on
is
a daily
a
basis.
okay?
It's been
What is a
15 days.
take of a class teacher?
The class teacher has said, like, it's been today that we talked to the class teacher
Mm-hmm.
and suggested that it be like it should be communicated officially to the class teacher. So we thought we take a like it was like a blue mark today on the cheek. So we took a photo, reported it to the class teacher, and let's see what she responds back. She said that she's going to talk to the boy, but yeah, I've yet to figure that out. Like what's
Okay.
exactly
So
happening.
Your
that
But
daughter
yeah,
boy
is
is
6, means she'd ideally in second standard.
no, first standard. She's about to go
first
into
standard.
second. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
Okay,
so
she's
that boy is same with everybody, or there's some
with
different
everybody. Like
dynamic?
he's a
Okay, with
proper
everybody.
dynamic bully.
Dynamic
going
bullying.
And
around the
how
class
have you
beating everybody.
confirmed that, Jatin?
Okay, so like it's like if like one kid is getting hit by the same. So okay, so let me put names to it. So let's say my girl's name is Jane, and the boy is John Doe, right? So
Hmm.
John is going around the class and beating everybody else, and everybody is getting like hit by him. So they are all forming a group on the other side also. So Jane
And
is
nothing is
having the
happening
forming
on
group.
it in a school, in a class. The parents of other
Everybody
kids
is trying to
No,
hit back.
the
Everybody is trying
teachers
to.
must know this. Jatin, if
They're
you're saying
not.
that
Yeah,
this,
they know, but then the John is very, how should I say it, clever to put a innocent face and then lie about it, and then
Hmm.
and,
But
and
in
that's how.
today's
And
world
the
and time,
parent
Jatin,
also of the
go
kid
on.
is smart enough to portray that the kid has health problems. So having a harsh step can also go reverse. So it's a
It's a
tricky
catch
situation.
22 situation,
Yeah,
right?
it's a catch-22 situation. Yes,
Hmm.
it's kind of,
Okay.
Okay,
yeah.
so here is the take, Jatin. Like, you know what? We cannot be
Hmm.
around our kids all the time, right?
True. Yeah.
They have to learn to stand for themselves, right?
Hmm.
Okay, you
Hmm.
cannot protect them everywhere. First of
True.
all, you have to teach your kids, either it's a daughter or a son, that whatever is happening, if something is wrong is getting with happening with you, and somebody is doing
Hmm.
that wrong, start giving warnings. First warning, please don't do it. Second warning, please don't do it. Third warning, please don't do it. And then give it back.
Okay.
You have to tell, you have to teach your kids, even if it's my kids or somewhere else it's happening. It can happen anywhere in a park, when they are playing and so they are getting bullied or they are getting tortured or something. They should learn this thing. They should learn
Yeah.
the, technique of giving warning. It's like I gave you warning before. It's not that I didn't warn you before, but you didn't listen to me, no? So somewhere I have to give it back to you. You have to learn that way. If you would have
I have
listened
a question
once,
to ask, Archika. When
yeah.
you say this child is, he's hitting all the children, other children, and they're ganging up against him, when they're ganging up against him, what are they doing? Are they crying?
They're
Are they
still
talking?
scared. They're
They are
still
not
scared
giving
and
him,
they're
he
trying
is,
to.
Ashima, he is not getting it back.
He's not
He's
getting
not
it back.
realizing. He's not realizing. He's not getting the taste of his own medicine.
That's
No,
how.
I
He's
What
not
think
he's
getting
giving
it
to
somewhere,
back.
others.
Jatin, when you talk of something happening again and again, the authorities have to be aware because in today's world and time, every school has a counselor, one.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Every
Hmm.
school has has multiple. I mean, my children's school has 130 CCTV cameras.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
when you
Hmm.
talk
Hmm.
about a
Hmm.
CCTV camera and when you say I'll tell you what happened very recently. Let me build on this, and Archika has given you a bit of it that how you think she thinks you should tell your child to go, and somewhere it is not wrong. So what
Hmm.
so
Hmm. Hmm.
happened that in the school the teacher, now you're talking about a small child hitting the other and others ganging up, but when they are ganging up, I need to understand that they can't, sit back and cry and they can't be just afraid of him. Let's say if he's hitting 10 children, 10 is a huge
Hmm.
number. One boy is standing in front of 10 children and the teacher doesn't know I can't buy this one.
So
Second,
yeah.
all these 10 children, Jatin, they must have something to stand in front. 10, when you say 10 people standing in front of one, that fear factor comes into that one person.
Yeah.
So it so happened,
Ashima, I don't think, I'm sorry to intervene, but I don't think that fear factor is coming because that guy knows very well that even they are
So
10,
he's
I am
playing the
much
facts.
better
He's
on
playing
them.
the
Okay.
situations.
the fear
Because,
factor is not coming because these children are showing fear to him instead of standing
yes,
strong and saying,
yes.
Exactly.
listen, don't do anything. As you said, that they all 10 have to say, they somewhere we have to look for his weak thing, where he is weak and why. I think there is something not right in that child's home atmosphere, because there are no it is said there are no problem children, there are problem parents.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
there
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
some,
Hmm.
But
Something is not.
sometimes, Ashima, the parents are doing good and parents are all okay, but the children, they observe from somewhere else, they learn from somewhere else. And as me and you are very well aware of that, Bandura experiment, and we all gone through with the psychology thing. So if I talk, I'm just going out of the context, but if we talk about the terrorists and all, so their parents are very innocent most of the time. They are not aware what their kids are going through. They are getting their brain washed and everything is getting done with them. So every time we cannot blame this. Okay, but we have to teach our
Archita, you brought
kids.
in a very strong context. When you're talking about a child, again, a child is in the home, is in front of the parents. अभी माँ बाप कितना उसको टाइम दे रहे हैं, उसको कंप्यूटर का कितना एक्सेस है, चाइल्ड इज ऑन द मेड्स और द पेरेंट्स हैव द टाइम फॉर द चाइल्ड. Does the child have siblings? Is the child in a nuclear family? Is the child in the joint family? There are so many questions. And when you're
Correct,
talking about an
correct.
external, and then you brought in a very strong statement of terrorist, when you go that way, that has a lot more to add. So I would want you to take that example in a different context, but in this context, I would
I'll
not buy
make you
it.
understand why I took that context and why I
No, no,
was
no.
like.
Okay, I think we'll
Okay,
probably
let's
go.
see. Let's see like this that in today's world, everybody, most of the parents, they are working. Most of the parents, they are not aware. But whenever they are giving their time to their kids, they are good enough. They are trying to teach good, and they are trying to be a best, right? And whenever kids are there, and now the kids are very
Who's
smart.
trying to be the best?
But parents, I've seen cases. The parents are
Now,
trying
when you
their
talk about
best.
parenting, there are 10 kinds of parenting which we can talk
There are
about. So we
100
don't
types
know.
of
No, no,
parenting,
no.
I'll say.
Majorly, 100. Okay.
Okay, okay. Let's leave this. Let's come to the Jatin issue. So Jatin, when we are not aware
I'd like
about
to add
his,
more context, like from
yeah,
whatever we are discussing. So basically, the both his parents are working. The mother is a doctor. I don't
correct.
know about the father's profession,
Hmm.
and then the amount of access this kid has might be extensive because the kind of conversations they're having, I feel my kid is lacking behind, is not watching short videos and then not having too much access to too much of TV programs and all. I try to make it more educative and infotainment and things of that nature because I want her attention span and everything to flourish rather than just going in a negative direction because we tend to believe in, how should I say it,
I
like in a
think one
different
thing
way
we
of or
should,
in a
one thing,
basic
yeah,
way of bringing up.
I understand what you are telling.
Archika, Jatin, let's take references and ideas. Sia has something to write here. She says, "I believe the kid needs to be put accountable in front of parents, teachers, and
Teachers and
classmates."
classmates.
Now, when Sia says that, what is coming to her mind? And let's take opinion from others
Hmm. Hmm.
also, because
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is a very catch-22 and a tricky situation. And Archika very rightly put it that you can't initially go on and start banging him. There, it might happen if one of the kids really, all of those other children are being afraid, but one of them might get up and say, "आ जाओ, अभी बताते हैं इसको."
Hmm.
So that might happen eventually, but right now they are afraid because they're probably the parents have taught them that way. Whereas this child, the upbringing, the kind of environment he has is teaching him something else. Rajat is also here. Let's hear from Rajat as an onlooker what he's feeling, and I invite Sia also to explain what she has said. And anybody else who wants to make a point here before we really reach on to some conclusions. Jatin has a situation, and I think a lot of parents have these. I, for one, I have children. One is 11, both of them are 11, twins, a boy and a girl, and they are poles apart. But they both are not, I would not say ekdam seedha bachchas. My children are not seedha bachchas. They have a lot to do, a lot to say. But yes, every child is different. Every parenting is different. As Archika says, there are 100 types of parenting, and I say majorly there are 10 types of parenting. So actually, there are very many ways, and each individual is different. So we can't have a tailor-made system to anything. Rajat, do you have something to say on this, or anybody else? Let me just go on to the panel. I have Anand and I have Uday. Let's see if we have some experts coming, comments coming from some parents there. Yes, Rajat, do you hear? Do you understand what is happening here?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Absolutely.
So yes, good afternoon, Ashma ma'am. Hey, Jatin. Hey, Archika ma'am. I
Hi,
heard
Rajat.
the
Yeah.
conversations and like this is a very tricky situation to deal with because as Jatin said, like if you report the boy who is bullying her, then you have to ask, okay, why? Then you have to uh, like ask all the other students who have been bullied also, and make sure that every student stand up for her, and make sure that it's all against one. But if the boy is smart enough, like Jatin said, like he will be very smart and he will make sure that is not caught when he's bullying the students. Then I think all the students need to uh, consult their parents and make sure that the parents come forward and ask, okay, what's going wrong and why is everyone targeting that boy? Because in this situation, he can manipulate the situation and himself. Like, okay, why are all the parents and why are all the students targeting me? So I'm looking from his point of view. So
Hmm.
he
Exactly, Rajat. Exactly.
yes,
When Sia wrote this, so I was
yes,
supposed to say that this is not a solution. We cannot
yes,
hold him accountable, and this
yes,
will, this will get a twist in the situation, in his mindset and everything. He might get rebellious.
yes.
He
He might.
might get, yeah.
Guys, we are
Yes,
just talking of a child who is 6.5 years old.
No,
We are
no,
yes,
not talking
Ashima,
of a manipulative adult. Actually, he can be manipulative. Again, he's observing a lot. Jatin, go on, you're saying
Ashima, I'm
something.
sorry, but you are talking 6-year-old, but I have a cases and incident where even 4 or 5-year-old have played very smartly in a class.
no, yeah,
Achika,
that's
4 and 5 year
how.
is
So let me put more
Okay,
things into
very smartly
perspective.
actually.
So the kid is making sure he leaves the class building, steps down from the stairs, and then when it is like on the way to moving for the buses, and when teacher is on looking to the other side, that is when he starts into making like tussles. And the moment he like a glimpse is caught that he's making like some kind of situation, he'll start crying or he'll start making faces, he'll start being on the other side. So it's a very, how should I say
So
it?
you
It's a tricky
understand what
situation
is this
where
child doing? His parenting is like that, that he has learned like I'll give you an example. When my children were much smaller, my son was in the habit of crying for everything. And if my daughter was having something, he would want it. And my mother-in-law once took it from my daughter and gave it to my son, and he was very happy. But I knew we were getting into a very difficult situation here. So I made sure that particular stuff was taken from my son and given back to my daughter and said that she's playing with this. You can't cry and get your way in. So what is happening here is this boy is getting his ways in because mother and father both are working, and I'm sure they have very busy schedules, and they are trying to do their best. And in today's world and time, the best parents do is they try to provide the children with everything because they think that is the way of taking care of the child. But actually, that is how the parenting goes wrong. And I still am not able to understand, if so much is happening, why the school authorities and why the teachers are not, and the counselor of the school is not intervening. Because whatever you say, guys, whatever, a small child is a small child. How manipulative do you think a child can get? And if he starts crying at the drop of a hat, you're talking of mature people in front of him. That child can be easily taken into confidence and made to understand things. So that has to be done.
he has a, I don't know if it is a medical situation or what, but maybe a little bit of asthma as well. So that's
Yeah.
also playing into the picture. So, like, yeah, I
So
mean,
he's been overprotected, right?
in a way.
Ashima,
So
even if we talk about anybody, counselors of the schools, teachers, principal, everybody is having their limitations and they all want to have, peaceful environment. They don't want any kind of ruckus, any kind of complications around. So most of the time they're like कि अपने आप ही बच्चे हैंडल कर लेंगे. जब तक हायर
That's how.
अथॉरिटीज
Yeah.
नहीं आती, जब तक पेरेंट्स बिल्कुल बैंग नहीं करते हैं आपके डोर पर, till that time they keep on avoiding and they want to avoid, you know. So
I'll give
that
you
is
an
why.
incident which happened recently in the, I am in the school, I am into the PTA, and what happened that one of the teachers, what she did was she was she had what 20, 30 students outside, and the camera was there fortunately. So she manhandled a child not once, not twice, but 3 to 4 times. And when the child went back and she was like, Mama, aaj mere teacher ne mera baal khicha. And again, that little girl is also the same age. She's what, 6.5. So बाल खींचा, टीचर ने मुझे बहुत तेज से धक्का मारा, खींच के बिठाया. And the parents were like, बच्चा है, the kids sometimes they exaggerate. As Jatin is saying that his daughter, he's trying to think, but now his daughter has a blue mark. So, Jatin, you'll have to definitely reach out to the authorities. There is no doubt about it. You will have to take it up with the parents. There is no doubt about it. So, we were called in as the committee, and we went on to looking at the camera, and we could really see what was happening in the camera. And the teacher was made accountable. The teacher was told, and the teacher was very elusive. She said, no, I've not done anything. This is not what I do. I'm a very good teacher. I'm here for such a long time. But we had to show her the camera. In the same way, if you're talking about a small, and the teacher had to accept it. She was a mature human being. But here you're talking about a small child. And if there is any footage, now when everybody knows so much is happening, they will have to deliberately, focus on him without him knowing, and he'll have to take him to some area where that footage is created. Or I think there must be something already existing. You will have to tell the authorities to see if there are cameras inside or in some lobbies or in the corridors. See those at that particular time. And when today when your daughter has a blue mark on the cheek, what was the time? Your daughter would be able to give you the entire detail. Let the CCTV camera footage be checked. Let the parents be brought in, and let us not manhandle the child. वो भी छोटा बच्चा है, उसके जो circumstances हैं, ठीक है, उसका condition है, whatever, I can understand, but he has to be very firmly shown, and he has to accept and realize, and probably some kind of therapy has to go in for him also. And other children will have to be made given that confidence and stand tall and put the finger front and said, no, you can't come near us, we'll go to the teacher. ये तो बहुत छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं. फर्स्ट के बच्चों का तो टीचर्स बहुत केयर करती हैं. I never see teachers getting out. उनके टिफिन भी चेक करती हैं. Have you finished your tiffin? Show me your tiffin. So most of the times there are maids and teachers around them. Jatin, is that not the case there?
The teacher is quite, I would say, she pays a lot of attention. That's true. But then, I don't know. Okay, so the teacher subscribes to the art of living and like spiritual theories. And then what happens is one thing that I'm observing like frequently is like uh, Jane, which is my daughter, let's say, she is made to sit with the guy in the class, like just besides each other. And then I don't know what's going in her head, but then that's what is happening. So
So maybe she's
I'm a little
trying that
confused.
when we, कि साथ बैठेंगे तो शायद दोस्ती हो जाएगी,
They
ये
might,
सारा
हाँ,
जो
they
है
might
खत्म
turn
हो
into friends
जाएगा.
and all. हाँ. So yeah, yeah, that's what
Okay,
is happening.
so
And so
here,
far ना हम
Ashima,
लोगों ने we didn't form a group on like parents as well. We
that's
know kids who are
perfectly all
getting
right. And Jatin, I really don't, and I think Ashima will agree with me that these groups and everything, they all create confusion and controversies rather than solution. So it's better we find solution at our end first, and then we start searching others' house. What
because like
problem is
yeah,
going there.
the thing in my head is I want to make her like be confident in herself, be able to take a stand,
That goes
not be
without
a
saying.
bully
You'll have to do
herself,
it.
right?
So
Hmm.
Right, that's
first
all.
thing, like you have a very good communication with your daughter. You always emphasize on that, and I believe you. So not just with you, I believe, and I tell all my clients and everybody whosoever is coming with a problem like with a child. First of all, you have to tell your child, see, whatever you are doing, whatever happened wrong outside house or somewhere, don't worry. just come and tell me I'm having your back, no matter what it is. But if you're doing something wrong, please come and tell me. I'll take care. जब आप ये वाला कॉन्फिडेंस अपने बच्चे को देते हो ना कि बेटा कुछ भी लाइफ में गलत हो जाएगा बट प्लीज मुझे बता देना, मैं कर लूंगा ठीक, या मैं कर लूंगी ठीक एज अ पेरेंट्स। सो वो जो गलती वाला जो राइट एंड रॉन्ग की लाइन है ना, वो बच्चे ड्रॉ करना सीख जाते हैं। वाई? फॉर नंबर वन, दे गेट दिस कॉन्फिडेंस कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे साथ है, कुछ भी हो जाएगा, यू नो। एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज देन, और दे ऑलवेज ट्राई कि यार पापा ने बोला तो है, मम्मी ने बोला तो है, बट लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू इट, व्हाई टू बॉदर देम? फाइन। सो यू हैव टू टेल योर डॉटर कि इट्स ओके, बट यू हैव टू टीच हर कि अपने लिए खड़ा होना सीखना पड़ेगा। आप पेरेंट्स हर जगह नहीं होंगे, फ्रेंड्स हर जगह नहीं होंगे, सिचुएशन कई बार वर्स्ट होंगी, बट यू हैव टू बी बोल्ड इनफ एंड यू हैव टू बी फर्म इनफ। Okay, whatever it is, I can handle, I will handle. Okay, and this warning thing actually works, Ashima. This is not a I'm telling you without experience or without any context or something, but I'll not take a name or cases. There are 2-3 times I've watched this with my own son, with the other
वार्निंग
kids
हैज
where
टू बी, वार्निंग का
warning
मतलब क्या है अर्चिका?
वार्निंग इज लाइक सामने वालों को आप बता रहे हो कि सी यू आर, आप ना गलत कर रहे हो, यू आर डूइंग इट रॉन्ग, यू आर
So,
डूइंग इट
do
रॉन्ग,
you
प्लीज
think
डोंट डू इट।
somewhere the child is falling into the category of conduct disorder because of the environment, because of the genetics, because of the things
No,
which are
no, no, no,
happening?
no, no, no. There is nothing like conduct disorder or something. इसके दो चीजें होती हैं आशिमा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if the child is getting bullied, right? अगर आज उसको नहीं बताया गया कि आपको अपने लिए खड़ा होना है और सामने वाले को जब एक लिमिट हो जाती है, you have to give it back.
No, no, I'm not talking about Jatin's daughter, Archika. There
No,
is
no, I'm
no
talking in
doubt
general.
she has to be made
I'm
confident.
I'm I'm telling you other thing. So one is, I'll tell you the case also. So one case is, there's a boy, okay, and वो पार्क में खेलने गया, फुटबॉल खेलने गया, and he had this in mind because father taught him कि वार्निंग देना है बेटा, कुछ भी गलत हो जाए 3 वार्निंग देना है, तब आपको हाथ उठाना है, उसके पहले कुछ नहीं करना है। वंस ट्वाइस कुछ हो जाए इग्नोर करो, इट्स ओके। एंड ही डिड दैट। ओके, एक बार उसको फुटबॉल में उसने उसको शोल्डर दिया था, ही वाज लाइक प्लीज डोंट डू इट अगेन, लेट्स प्ले फेयरली। सेकेंड टाइम ही डिड, तो प्लीज यार नहीं करो, ठीक है, ऐसे गेम नहीं खेलते हैं। थर्ड टाइम, अच्छा अच्छा तू क्या कर लेगा। थर्ड टाइम ही गिव इट बैक, एक उसने पंच उसको दिया एंड ही वाज लाइक डन। आफ्टर दिस इंसिडेंट, few days later, that bully guy became the friend of that guy, and he said sorry sorry यार, तूने बताया तो था पर मैंने ना आगे से नहीं होगा। बट ही रियलाइज इट कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बार आप ही करोगे, सामने वाले के पास भी है, मतलब स्ट्रेंथ भी है और उसको पता भी है कि हाउ टू हैंडल इट। There was this second situation where I met one child and he was trying to bullying other kids in a park. So when I met him, so I was like कि why you are doing it? So उसका आंसर ये था कि मुझे ना स्कूल में बुली करते हैं, मुझे स्कूल में करते हैं तो मैंने इनको कर दिया। एंड आई वाज लाइक कि आपको मिला क्या उससे? कहता नहीं कुछ नहीं मिला, कि आपको पेरेंट्स को पता चलेगा। देन आई स्टार्ट काउंसिल हिम एंड एवरीथिंग एवरीथिंग, एंड देन ही रियलाइज लेटर ऑन कि okay, no, this is not, it has to be handled, there's other way. And I don't know because I was not there after that, I left the place. So this is how it happens, but
So, in the
every
case
kid
of
needs to
Jatin,
learn.
Archika, I think he'll have to talk to the teacher initially, meet the school staff, understand where the problem is and why his daughter is being targeted. And then probably they will have to understand that why it is being triggered, why it is happening, and the child will have. See, आप उस बच्चे को ये तो नहीं कह सकते हो तुम गलत हो। Here, देखो बच्चे आपस में ये बोल सकते हैं। Like for example, when my daughter is in the school, she and my son, they are in the same school, so they are trying to watch out for each other. But when they're trying to watch out for each other, that definitely a teacher intervention is needed. अब 2 बच्चे स्कूल में, आपने अपने बच्चे को सिखा दिया भाई जाओ, अगर वो उसको 3 बार वार्निंग दो, चौथी बार उसको धुन दो, उसको मारो, मगर we are talking of something which is happening inside the school. So we'll have to understand what are the triggers, why it is happening, from where it is coming. Rajat wants to say something. Go on, Rajat. He went out. He says, okay, Rajat has to leave. All right. So you will have to somewhere understand. आप एक वार्निंग दे के शायद उस बच्चे को ठीक नहीं कर पाओगे वहां पे आप, और डेफिनेटली टू मेक योर चाइल्ड कॉन्फिडेंट एंड नॉट टेक एनीथिंग लाइंग डाउन, बट दैट चाइल्ड हैज टू बी अंडरस्टूड, बिकॉज अभी वो बच्चा ये कर रहा है, अभी उसको वार्निंग दे के डरा धमका के हम उसको एक बार तो कर लेंगे, बट आगे जाके वो और प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकता है. सो the root cause by the school has to be
Exactly. So
understood.
that is the second step I'm saying. First step is you have to make your child confident. You have to communicate with your child, you know, because ये situation अभी तो
No,
आशिमा
अभी
स्कूल में आई है.
अभी if his daughter is coming with a blue mark, he will have to tell his,
Yeah,
he'll have to
he will have
comfort
to.
his child, he'll have
Yeah.
to make her confident, but he'll have to take the action, he'll have to reach out to the authorities, he will have to talk to the principal, tell the counselor, and we don't have to play a blame game here. We'll have to understand the root cause, the triggers, and understand how they can be nipped in the bud. It's the beginning of something and it has to be taken care. So the school counselor would have to intervene, the principal will have to intervene, they will have to bring in the parents, because somewhere I still see the problem happening in the house. Either the child is over pampered, taken care too much, because of asthma and whatever, so he's used. See, बच्चों का क्या होता है, अगर मैं अपने बच्चे को आज डांटूंगी और मैं उसको बोलूंगी ये नहीं करना है, व्हाट विल हैपन, he'll go to the father, and if the father agrees, नहीं नहीं बेटा मम्मी को तो नहीं, अब you do. सो बच्चे हमेशा एस्केप रूट्स ढूंढते हैं. जैसे इस बच्चे ने एस्केप रूट ढूंढा हुआ है कि अगर कोई उसको बोलता है ओ व्हाई आर यू डूइंग इट, वो रोना चालू कर देता है. और एक बच्चा अगर बहुत तेज तेज रो रहा है तो आदमी उसको लॉलीपॉप दे के चुप करता है, राइट? ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, if you can be strong enough and stand in front of a child who cries for the wrong reason and tell that child, listen, let's understand this, whatever you're doing is not right, if you want to talk about it, sit down, talk with us, we'll talk to you, but if you cry, we are not giving in to you. So somewhere that kind of a structure has to come in. And Jatin, that's for sure that you'll have to reach out to the school authorities, and as Archika says, you'll have to make your daughter confident, you'll have to tell her that they can't, she'll have to tell all the teammates, they'll have to stand up and tell that guys, sorry, we are not ready to take anything what you're doing, हम यहाँ पिटने नहीं आ रहे, एंड समवेयर वो एक फियर फैक्टर सब में होता है. अगर 10 बच्चे खड़े होके उस बच्चे को ये बोले कि भाई डोंट, and 10 children, they have to go to the teacher together also, ma'am ये हमें मार रहा है, why is that not happening?
Because the class is such and the standard is such where they don't know how to make a union or how to, unite or
Archika,
something.
today's kids are very smart, they at the
That's
drop of the
fine,
hat they
Ashima.
they reach to the teacher, ma'am ये कर रहा है, ma'am ये कर रहा है. बच्चे
तो अभी
आज
तक वो नहीं हुआ ना आशिमा, क्योंकि अभी तक इतने सारे लोगों के साथ हो रहा है, बट उन बच्चों को
नहीं
अभी
नहीं
भी
नहीं,
समझ
somewhere
32
it
kids in
as
the
Jatin,
class, and then like about 20 odd are getting beaten. और किसी ने भी अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताया so far.
सी.
so
Like either बताया तो the parents have not reached out otherwise. Like
exactly
That is why I'm saying it's gonna be a very very lengthy process. अभी अगर जतिन, definitely you should go to authority,
no,
but I'm
nothing
telling you.
lengthy, that's the right procedure, you have to reach out to the authorities.
Yeah, you have to reach out, but it's gonna be a lengthy. Don't you believe in it? And you have already shared that incident that it's actually step by step. The school authority will, like, they call one parent, they summon other parent, they summon the other 20 parents, then 5 of them will be like, we are not having time this time. Other 5 say we can come
You have
only
to
on
nip it in the
this time.
bud, you will have to do it the right ways. और आपको अपने
Yeah.
बच्चे को ये सिखाना पड़ेगा कि सब लोग उस बच्चे को इकट्ठे बोलेंगे, और अगर वो फिर भी मारने आता है, you'll all have to tell the teacher, and if the teacher is not listening, tell your friends, all the parents have to report to the authorities, have to tell the
Even Ashima, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but even if one will do it, one will give him back nicely, he'll learn that lesson, and other kids will get a courage. So the other kids, they might not beat him, they might not say anything, but even अगर वो खड़े भी हो जाएंगे ना next time उनके सामने, he'll get that impression that maybe what she did to me, maybe they will also do that.
absolutely, that
Fear, the
goes
one
without
thing.
saying. They'll have to
Yes.
stand in front of him and say, bhai kya baat, why are you hitting us, why do you think we should get
That is
hit by
what I'm
you?
saying, that first of all we need to find a solution जहाँ से शुरू करना है. पीछे का प्रोसेस तो एक प्रोसेस है, and you are right and I agree and I'm with you कि वो तो करना ही है, school authorities, parents, but understand the scenario, understand the whole situation.
Okay, Archika,
20
let's just
to,
halt here. I think we have gone for almost 45
ah,
minutes. And anybody else who's listening down there, Jatin will come back to you, I think, because we'll have to summarize it with you only.
but I
Anybody
think
else?
Ashima, it's a very important topic we have touched today,
Absolutely.
and many of the
Absolutely.
parents and students, and even if somebody listen later on a recording or something, they might get some insight, and it's really
Hmm.
helpful.
Absolutely. 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 Jatin, you wanted to say something. Please go on. And anybody down there, do you want to add on? Do you want to say something? Do you want to share something? Please. Jatin, please. Jatin, let's understand from you what you've understood. And have we really made something clear to you in
No, no,
some
yeah,
way?
you have like that was the, like, how should I say it? Like the duality going in my head, that you know what, if I get involved, I set an example in front of my daughter that in a way, like, I'd come and I'd be protective, but I want to be in the background, make like necessary arrangements that he shouldn't get a push, मतलब उसको like positive push ना मिले, so as to be a further bully, right? The guy. But I want to make sure that she is able to stand up for herself, because I
True.
mean we're in the north region of India. It's very normal for kids to get into fights, and though, like, with, I don't know, I feel that social media and everything, and all the media has made people uh, docile and timid, but I mean it's still there. कहीं ना कहीं that anger, frustration can turn into many things, right?
Hmm.
So I feel ki she has to learn to stand up for herself. Maybe
Absolutely.
we,
Absolutely.
we
Goes without
like
saying.
one day we did tell her, give it back to him because you've already given him warnings. You've told him, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But yeah, I mean, she is still not like the gang. The friends are saying, let's become friends with him. Let's not get into a fight. So she got convinced. So I mean, I'm yeah.
So
I've
why was
started the
she hit?
process
Did
with
you
that
ask her
teacher.
why she was hit today and how did he hit her and where were the rest of the people and did she go to the teacher? Did she go to the friends? What exactly happened? You need to understand that,
So
Jatin.
she
The
has,
whole thing
in a
today.
way, like going back to the teacher, she has given up on. Matlab, she has reached out to the teacher. Because teacher knows ki the guy is asthmatic, है ना? At times she has scolded my daughter itself that he's telling that you hit him back. That why did you hit him back? Say sorry. So she felt kind of disheartened, and she felt kind of, how should I say it? Like, she was like,
Become her hero
uh,
now.
teacher doesn't understand. Matlab, it's a gone case. Teacher doesn't understand. So she has stopped reaching out. Now, next thing is, yesterday what happened is they were all walking towards the buses, and then they try and keep their distance from the bully. They try and stay away from his presence. But then he'll make it a case कि हाँ, he'll call her or her friend or anybody, and then start the fight. Start with punches, and say it very demeaningly and enjoyingly that, yeah, today I'll hit you with all the force that I have. So things of that nature are happening.
See,
I
asthma
think,
cannot be made an alibi for
yes.
him, by the teacher. If he's asthmatic, we understand, we are empathizing, but that doesn't mean that he will, in the garb of that, he can go on to hitting. And if the teacher is not listening, you will have to become the hero for your daughter in the way that you'll have to very nicely look for the solutions with the teacher, with the principal, with the counselor, with all the other parents. Because if she's already gone to the teacher many a times and the teacher is scolding her for that, so you will have to be very sure what is happening, and you'll have to ask your daughter, has she ever hit him back? Has she ever gone and given it back to him? You'll have to ask all those questions from her because teacher, जैसे आपने बोला, teacher बोलती है तुमने भी तो उसको मारा.
But with half heart, with the sense that if I heard, like I know my daughter, she has, like, it'll be all blood spat and everything. We know that for a fact. So she's a little scared of her own strength and everything. So that's how she's
Jatin,
hesitant. She keeps
if
doubting कि हाँ, it will turn something.
Jatin, if you can do this, then please do one thing. Approach authorities, call that boy parents, his parents, and principal, nobody else. Or okay,
Hmm.
and class teacher. Okay,
Okay.
and there you made it clear with your daughter. Your daughter should be there, that boy should be there, parents, class teacher, and principal. That's it. No other person. And please tell your daughter and tell the teacher as well and principal and the parent of that boy that see, this is what happened has happened. Bygones are bygones, but now onwards, if this boy hit my girl again, then my girl will give it back nicely and tell your daughter in front then and there कि बेटा अगर दोबारा ये मारे ना तो please hit him so hard that he realize it. I'm telling you, this will give a very good impression on that boy's mind that okay,
I
now
think
her
that
father
when you
is
go
there.
on to get into a conversation, Jatin, पहले अच्छा अच्छा रखना. You know, if only it reaches out
Yeah,
to
yeah,
the
No,
fine.
place
no
where you
need,
say,
I'll
Ashima.
start
वो
give
with.
it
अच्छा
back.
अच्छा
See,
no अच्छा
Archika,
अच्छा
when you
रखने वाला जो होता है ना, I'm telling you with my personal experience, I have done that. You know, my daughter was she was in third standard or something, and there was a guy. And I tell you, right now you are speculating, Ashima, that boy is having some issues of family. I tell you that boy's parents were going through divorce, single mother, and everything. He was going for therapies and everything. He was keep on hitting on my daughter. Okay, once, twice. I was like, fine, Sarah, leave it. Once, what he did, he's hit her so hard that she came home with a swollen feet. So next day, I did that. That boy was there, his mother was there, and principal was there, and I was there. And I told that guy and his mother, see next time, and I told Sarah कि सारा next time अगर इसने आपको हाथ लगाया, take out your shoe and hit him so hard कि इसको realize हो जाए कि pain होता क्या है. That was a day. That guy didn't say anything to anybody in the school, and he was trying to become a good, student. And today he's a good friend of my daughter, and with everybody else. And his mother also got it, and principal also got it. And I was like, I am supporting my daughter here. She will do what I'm saying right now to her, and I'm having her back. Now you try and touch her. So that confidence you have to give to your kid also, and the other kid should also realize somewhere. पानी सर से ऊपर उतर जाता है आशिमा, तो हर चीजें सीधी तरह से सॉर्ट आउट नहीं होती. I was ignoring for a while. I was avoiding. I was telling my daughter. But then I realized, no, now I have to, hit it. So that is why. And I never talk anything without experience or without any facts.
I'm inclined to both the sides. I'll take it up with the authorities and I'll tell her to give it back good. Like after the warnings, which is already given the warnings, enough warnings. So I'm inclined to both sides. So I'm going to make it official on one side, right? And on the other side, I'll tell her to take care of it. That's why, because it's gone for so long. It's been about 3 odd weeks. Same thing has happened.
So you will have to also talk to the authorities that my daughter has been holding back because that are the values we have taught her, but she's also strong. And if he comes back upon her, there is a possibility that she goes out after him. So I am telling you that please let's sort it out before it goes that far. I think this is the kind of thing which you'll have to tell the authorities. Anybody else?
But yeah, I mean, this was good. Yeah, I need to drop. Thanks so much. Thank you.
No.
This is good.
Anybody else who is down there who disagrees with anything which Archika said, I said, Jatin said, or you have another perspective to share, guys? Nobody has anything to say?
That's
Suraj,
surprising.
Tauji, please come. Sia,
Share your
Shweta.
experiences, guys. You must have had the experiences of yours or your friends or in surroundings. We can also learn the new insight about it, new dealings, new things.
which leave marks on us, right? Impression. And I think Jatin came in at a right time with something which is leaving a mark on his daughter, because if his daughter takes this now and she's not doing anything, or anybody else is not standing by her side, that will kind of leave a scar on her mind that, if people come after you, you don't have to go after them, or you just have to tolerate shit from people. I think this is a lesson learned by a lot of people in life. And when you talk about your experiences, whatever is happening around you, if you don't stand tall for yourself, if you don't stand up for yourself, if you don't take decisions to make yourself feel confident, you follow your self-esteem, you trust yourself, you think you know how to say no to the things, I think that's where most of the people in life are lacking. They don't know where to say no, where to say, tell the other side in relationships or wherever you are to back off. And you form your boundaries. I think forming your own boundaries and giving people the direction and the idea that here I am, this is my boundary, don't try to barge in. If you do, it is not gonna be good, because this is called toxicity. A lot of people would step into your boundaries because they don't know how to respect others. They don't know how to make sure that others are taken care of, well taken care of. Akhil, Harshit, do you want to say something on whatever discussions have happened so far, or do you want to share any of your own experiences, guys? Anybody? Everybody has gone in a thoughtful, pensive, listening mode. Is it so difficult, guys? Okay, let me just take one or two names and call people up. Rufin, you are a good one. You can come up. And who else? Sia, Tauji, Suraj, Akhil, Harshit. Nobody wants to come. All right, so I would just quickly, Archika, if nobody wants to come, we'll quickly run them through Arsha. Okay, I'm going back to it. Udret atmana atmanam na atmanam avsadyet atmev hi atmano bandur atmev ripur atmanaha. This so fits in here, guys. आप खुद को खुद से ऊंचा उठाते हैं, आप खुद को नीचे नहीं गिराते हैं, आप खुद ही अपने सबसे अच्छे दोस्त हैं और आप अपने सबसे बड़े दुश्मन हैं. आप अपने दोस्त बनना चाहते हैं कि आप अपने दुश्मन बनना चाहते हैं? So anybody who wants to come and speak this shalok, Udret, Archika, you have to speak it today, huh?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Udret atmana atmanam atmanam avsadayet atmev ha atmano bandhur atmev ripu atmana.
Once again. Udret atmana atmanam. Udret atmana atmanam. Udret matlab upgrade yourself by yourself. Na atmanam avsadiyet. Don't degrade yourself. Don't lower yourself. Atmev hi atmano bandur. You yourself are your own friend. Atmev ripur atmanaha. You are your enemy by yourself. It's a beautiful, beautiful shalok. It's a beautiful verse from Bhagavad Gita. And I have fallen for it. I'm going to go after many more. Let's see if somebody... Uday is there. Uday, would you want to come in? Because Uday is always... if you know, Uday is doing Srimad Bhagavatam and he's doing all the stories of Srimad Bhagavatam. It is so wonderful to listen to all the stories, and it's so much of knowledge and information which is up there. So, Archika, go on.
Yeah, okay. So nobody is coming, Ashima. So today
कोई हमसे बात नहीं करना चाहता है, अर्चिका. उनको लगता है हम गुरु माँ बन गए. मेरे नाम के पीछे तो वैसे ही माँ लगा हुआ है. So
my name is not having it, so I'll follow you.
So we are not Guru Mahas here. We are ISKA, Indian Specialized Counseling Academy, guys. We are Archika and Ashima. We are trying to give you an open, non-judgmental non-critical space to talk in a free atmosphere, openly, honestly, so that
Suraj
we
is
can.
saying something,
Uh,
Ashima. Suraj is saying, ma'am, I'm just imagining a situation when I'll be a parent. I'm not married yet, but anyone may go through such situation as a parent. I really appreciate Jatin to share this issue.
yeah,
Actually, you
absolutely.
learn with your own experiences, Suraj, and don't worry, you'll become a good parent.
And actually, Archika, it is so now when Jatin is sharing it, it becomes so important for people to understand that when you're talking of yourself on your own children, you have to share, you have to take opinions, you have to understand how to do the right thing, you have to look for a rightful solution. And we don't have to think कि हम जाके अपने आप से सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. जब हम एक ओपिनियन लेते हैं, हम एक ओपन स्पेस में बात करते हैं, हमें बहुत कुछ समझ आता है. एंड में हम करते वही है जो हमें करना होता है. But when we listen to a lot of theories, lots of opinions, lots of advices, and we are trying to see which direction to take, because we don't want to hurt the interest of anybody, but we have to safeguard the interest of our own child, and we want our child to trust us, to be confident of us, and to be sure that we are there for them. I think this is the biggest challenge of being a parent.
Actually, Ashima, I believe, and this is my personal experience, and with the cases and with the situations I observe, and I come to the conclusion that if mother and father, they are both having a good communication, they share things, and they are having a good, not compatibility, I will not say compatibility, but if they are having a good communication, I insist, कि communication अच्छा है, when they are sharing things, they are talking about kids, and their mother is sharing experience of kids, and father is giving input and everything, that how it should be, okay, this situation is, we should deal like this, so it becomes a really better situation. And being a parent, you become confident that whatever we are teaching to our kids, it's fine, because we are both having their back, and we are both having each other's back. It's
Hmm.
not that. So this is thing I always insist to my
अर्चिका,
classes.
सिया आई, रूफिन and somebody else. She also came. उनको लगा कि तुम बोल रही हो इसलिए वो छोड़ना ही नहीं. They
Okay,
left.
okay, please come.
Let's just call them back. Come, Sia, Shri, please come and speak, dear. Yeah, let's hear to them.
No, ma'am, continue. I was just, listening to it.
नहीं, अभी listen नहीं करो. अर्चिका मैम will continue now. You tell us what were you listening. तुम्हें क्या समझ में आया?
मैम, मेरे को ऐसे पेरेंटिंग का आइडिया तो नहीं है, लेकिन द बुलिंग सिचुएशंस एज अ किड, so I gone through that, so that's why I don't know what I said.
तुम्हारे साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ, कोई बुली था जो स्कूल के अंदर, लड़का या लड़की जो तुमको हिट
Yes,
करते
ma'am.
थे? हाँ, so please talk about it.
So they bullied me. There was this guy. He was in the same class, and he was like, pull my plates. My mother used to make them, and तो बाल खींचता था बहुत बार. तो मैंने 2-3 बार कंप्लेंट्स भी की, और उसको मतलब लड़ाई भी की कि ऐसे नहीं खींचना है. Until and unless I talked to my mother, and she went to that boy and told him that don't do this. If you do this, I'm going to talk to your parents. Then he stopped doing that, and we became friends after that. So that's why I said, कि बच्चों को थोड़ा सा अकाउंटेबल करना पड़ता है ऐसी सिचुएशन में, कि तुम ऐसे बचा के नहीं जा सकते.
ट्रू. उसमें आपको बच्चे को पता है क्या होता है, बच्चा जो होता है उसमें इंसाइट नहीं है, उसको लगता है मैं जो कर रहा हूँ ठीक है, जब तक कोई आके उसको नहीं बोलता है भाई दिस इज नॉट रॉन्ग, दिस इज नॉट राइट,
पता ही नहीं होता कि वो गलत है या सही है, वो बस कर रहा होता है.
बिकॉज वो रैशनल माइंड डेवलप्ड नहीं है ना.
राइट मैम.
तो किसी ना किसी को उसको उठ के बोलना पड़ेगा, बेटा दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस विल नॉट बी टॉलरेटेड और एक्सेप्टेड.
राइट.
And Ashima, I forget to share one thing with Jatin कि हम when we are teaching our kids कि अपने लिए आपको खड़े होना and you have to give it back, then you have to be ready also that sometime if you are doing exit, you will also get it back.
Absolutely. So
So be
you know what?
ready. Don't come crying at home. When you are giving to somebody, somebody is giving you back, be ready. And we are okay with it as a parent. Okay, where you're dealing with your own stuff and you're taking care of your own mess, so we are okay with it. That is
Anybody
how we
else?
can make them understand that it's a two-way thing.
Absolutely, absolutely. Anybody else who wants to share a story? Because I would want to talk about my son. You know, my son is very friendly, okay, in school. So whenever we have, I think this person has just joined.
Meenal,
Minal, you would want to say something? She's just joined in, I think.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. How are you doing?
Uh, I'm doing great.
Hmm. So you've just joined?
Yes.
Yes, all right. So would you want to say something or you would want to listen to what is happening here?
First, I want to listen.
All right, bacha. So, you know what happened to my son? He's very friendly in school. So he would go, hello, hi, and he'll say, good morning, how are you? So one of these days, what happened that he was going around and he just was going, and then he told one of the boys in the classroom, hello, bhaiya. And that boy, probably he was in some aggressive mode, dant pithi thi teacher se ya kuch. He came and he came out and held his collar. And he's like, तूने मुझे गाली दिया, तूने मुझे गलत गलत बोला. So he's like, नहीं, मैंने तो आपको सिर्फ good morning बोला. And then his friend was there, teacher was there, and they sorted it out. And then he came and he said, my friend was there, mama, my friend also said, he told the teacher, मैंने कुछ भी गलत नहीं बोला था. So I think that spirit of camaraderie, बच्चों को एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े होने की आदत, अगर कोई गलत कर रहा है उसको समझाने की आदत, अपने टीचर्स को ये बोलना कि भाई जो गलत है उसको गलत कहना और जो सही है उसको सही करना, उसकी सपोर्ट में खड़े होना, it is very 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 important. And if the children can learn to have that team spirit and stand with right and stand in front of wrong, that makes the bigger change happen. और वहीं पर, क्योंकि when you talk to a lot of parents, you know, a lot of parents would not get into a lot of argument with the principal or the teacher or not reach out to the school authorities because एक fear factor parents के खुद में होता है कि अगर मेरे बच्चे के लिए मैंने कुछ बोल दिया तो वो लोग मेरे बच्चे को mistreat करेंगे. I think that kind of mindset has to change somewhere. We have to learn to accept the difference between right and wrong. We have to learn to accept that we can't have a servile or a fearful attitude because बच्चे वही सीखते हैं जो जो देख रहे होते हैं. So we have to learn to stand tall in front of wrong, and we have to learn to stand in front of things which are not right. And yes, definitely we have to learn to say sorry for our own mistakes. अपने खुद के बच्चों को भी हमें ये सिखाना चाहिए कि अगर हम गलती कर रहे हैं
Ashima,
अपने
Vikas has joined. Maybe he wants to say something.
Yeah, please, absolutely. Vikas, you've just joined, dear. Vikas, can you unmute? All right, Vikas has just joined. Vikas, do you want to talk here? Because we just have 2 minutes left before we go on.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ji,
Yes,
bole.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Go
Just
on.
joined. Right. Yes, ma'am. I just joined.
Okay, you just joined. So do you want to say something?
Yeah.
Go on.
Still not.
अच्छा, अभी आप कुछ नहीं कहना चाहते हैं. You want to listen. So guys, 1.5 minute is left. Tomorrow we end this 10 sessions, 10 hours think of relationship itself. The journey, I hope, was beautiful. So we would want to
So,
understand.
Ashima, before we end this session, I'd like to give little information. It's like our brain is like a supercomputer, and everybody agrees to it. And we have a complex network, which is about like 100 billion of neurons. But when this stress thing comes and this trauma things happens, so it's like our mind gets into shock and it disrupts its system. And there are three parts of the brain which which deal with the stress and which get hampered. It's a hippocampus and amygdala and prefrontal. For center for emotion memory, amygdala is for creativity, and our prefrontal is like center for more complex functions. तो जब भी स्ट्रेस होता है तो ये वाले जो तीन पार्ट है हमारे ब्रेन के ये इफेक्ट होने लगते हैं. And that is why we get into all this trauma thing, and our thing get disturbed, and we say na sometimes
Ma'am.
PTSD हो गया है.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Meenal.
Ma'am, can you tell me that what we should do when we have stress?
We are just a 14-second. Meenal, can you join tomorrow? I would like to talk to you and I'll give you. Thank you so much, dear. See you tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ashima.